Hello students, I am Jacinta Santiago from Tilak Bharati School. Today we are going to discuss dimensions of a physical quantity. So the dimensions of a physical quantity are the powers or exponents to which the units of base quantities are raised to represent a derived unit of that quantity. Here you should note that the square brackets around a quantity means that we are dealing with the dimensions of the quantity. In mechanics, all the physical quantities can be written in the terms of the dimensions, length, mass, and time. Let us take one example of volume. Volume, as we all know, it is the length into breadth into height. Here, if we go to see length, for that we will take out of this 3, we will take the length. For breadth, it is also length, and height is also a length. So this gives us L cube. Here volume is given by L raised to the power 3. Therefore we can say volume is said to have 3 dimensions in length. As mass and time are not required in representing volume, we can write volume as mass, which is not required, length, which is raised to the power 3, and time not required. That means volume has 0 dimension in mass and 0 dimension in time. In addition, we have 3 dimension in length. Our next topic is dimensional formula. Dimensional formula, the expression which shows how and which of the base quantities represent a physical quantity, is called the dimensional formula of the given physical quantity. And one more we will discuss. It will be dimensional equation. Dimensional equation. When the physical quantity is equated to its dimensional formula, we obtain dimensional equation of the physical quantity. For this, let us take an example of velocity. Velocity is given by displacement upon time. So which will give us displacement means L, and for time we will take t. From a simple exponential law we can get from here is L, which has a power of 1, and t, which has a power of -1. So we'll get the velocity as L1 raised to the power 1 time minus 1, which can be written as m0 L1 t to the power minus 1. From this example, let us understand dimensional formula. So dimensional formula for velocity is m0 L1 t minus 1, and the dimensional equation for velocity is v. That's how we represent velocity. So this is the dimensional equation and this is the dimensional formula. For practice, try to derive some of the physical quantities like area, density, acceleration, pressure, power, and force. So this will be a homework to derive dimensional equations or the dimensional formula for these physical quantities.